Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today I wanted to talk to you about Consumer Reports and an article I ran across. Their annual report just came out and it's not looking good for Toyota or the Toyota Tacoma. Let's get right to it. The headline is Toyota no longer most reliable brand, says Consumer Reports. And Toyota fell due to new powertrains and new vehicles. That's not surprising. Toyota or its luxury brand Lexus no longer top the most reliable brand rankings according to an annual report published Thursday by Consumer Reports. Subaru now ranks as the most reliable car brand. This annual survey gathers data from owners as well as Consumer Reports internal testing on hundreds of thousands of vehicles spanning the 2000 to 2024 model years. The survey addresses 20 possible pain points experienced by owners in the previous 12 months, ranging from transmission and electric motor issues to climate controls and car electronics such as touchscreen interfaces and infotainment systems, starting with the Toyota Tundra pickup truck that was redesigned for 2022. We all know about the engine problems with the Tundra. The new Tundra has been beset by problems with 10 recalls since the 2022 model launched. Those problems resulted in Toyota making a costly decision in July to replace more than 100,000 twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engines. Despite the recent hiccups in its new SUV and truck lineup, Toyota still ranked third and Lexus second as the most reliable out of 22 brands. Check this out. Toyota's number 3, Subaru at the top, Honda right below Toyota, and GMC down at the bottom. Chevrolet's at 16, Ford's at 13. So let's go check out the annual report over at Consumer Reports. So the overall score is a 45, number 6 of 6 of the mid-size pickup trucks. Number 6, it's at the bottom. The highs were user-friendly controls and off-road ability. Lows were stiff ride, clumsy handling, rough-sounding engine, tall step-in height, low rent cabin. Ranked a 59 out of 100 on the road test, 29 out of 100 off the predicted reliability. Predicted owner satisfaction, 3 out of 5. So you can see the Toyota Tacoma here ranked, for the predicted reliability, ranked 29 out of 100 versus similar cars like the Ford Ranger at 65 out of 100. Nissan Frontier is 27 out of 100. That's actually lower than the Tacoma. The Colorado is 15 out of 100, which is much lower than that. So it looks like Ford Ranger, Honda Ridgeline, and Jeep Gladiator are all beating the Toyota Tacoma out of predictive reliability. So you can see that the value for owner satisfaction is worse than it once was. And here's an overview if you want to pause the screen here and check this out. But we're going to come over here to the reliability section and we're going to get some details. So here's reliability history. So as you can see, overall, the 20 and 21 Tacoma is the best from 2015 all the way to 2024. And the 24 Tacoma has went down. So let's check out the powertrain here. We're expecting something here. So transmission major here is a transmission rebuild, a replacement, torque converter, premature clutch, or replacement, and it's got a low score here. To be fair, back in 2016, it had a pretty bad thing it went with the first year of the new gen. That time it was a third generation Tacoma, and it had worse transmission problems back then. To be fair, transmission minor is gear selector linkage, transmission computer, transmission sensor, solenoid, clutch adjustment, rough shifting, slipping transmission, and leaks. And it's not a perfect score, but it did go down from the 23 Tacoma. Steering and suspension, it went down, and we've all seen that video from Icon about the shock going through the strut there. And I believe that's what this is. Brakes actually went down for some reason. That includes premature pad, rotor wear, pulsation of vibration. Climate system is spot on. Build quality, that went down some, but it also went down some in 23 as well. But the big thing is the body hardware went down, and noise and leaks is pretty bad. And that's some of the same reports I've seen. So let's go take a look at owner satisfaction now. this is really what shocked me. Predicted overall owner satisfaction is 3 out of 5. Driving experience is 79 out of 100. Comfort is 67 out of 100. I do believe they made improvements in the seats, mainly because I don't think we'll need seat jackers, but who knows, we might need something else. Value, this is what got me. Did you get what you wanted relative to the price you paid? 32 out of 100. Is the 4th gen holding its value like the 2nd and 3rd gens did? I don't think so, according to this. And I've seen some reports out there that there are some 3rd gens that are holding their values while some used 4th gens are not. So this is crazy, but this is what's got me right here. Compared with the reliability of the value, like I said, I'm hopeful, but I don't know. I really hope they bring their game up in 2025. But time will tell and we'll see. That's all I've got, but thanks for joining me and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.